Hello scholars, this is Mrs. Kendrick. I am recording this video to help you with your 2 math lessons this week. You're going to be doing 2 IXL lessons. One is going to be called Area Between 2 Rectangles. And so as you can see on screen here, we're going to kind of be using this one as an example for that lesson. And the next one I think is pretty much almost the same title, Area Between 2 Triangles. Okay, so the only difference is you're doing triangles instead of squares and rectangles. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to do 2 examples. It really is easier than what it probably looks like, so please don't let it confuse you or, don't get frustrated. It really isn't that hard, and I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? So anyways, for our first example, this is for that first lesson that you're going to do on Monday called Area Between 2 Rectangles. So they're going to give you, 2 rectangles or squares, depending on what they are. In this case, of course, these are rectangles because they don't have equal sides. They're going to tell you to find the area in the shaded region. Now, I'm using a program that is online, but it's free, so I can't do too much with it. I can't figure out how to color it. But anyways, on your IXL, you're going to see, if you can kind of see on screen, that this kind of bigger part is what's going to be shaded for the most part, okay? So then what you're going to do is they're going to ask you find the area of the shaded region, which would be this part right here. So it is very simple. It is basically just a few steps. The first thing you want to do is find the area of the big rectangle and find the area of the little rectangle. That's all you have to do. Now hopefully you guys remember the area of a square or rectangle is length times width. So, super easy. I'm going to find the area of the big rectangle. And that is going to, let me make sure I'm here, that's going to be length, which is 10 times width, which is 9. So that's going to give me 90, right? Great job. Then you're going to find the area of the little one, because you're going to find the area of the length and the width, which is going to be 5 times 6. That is going to give you what? 30. Now, what they're doing is they're telling you to find the area of the shaded region. That means the big square, but they don't want this little one. That means you're minusing what's inside here, what this little square is. So what you would do is take those and minus. Wow, that's terrible. Let me erase that there. See if I can do that better. That's supposed to be a minus sign. Wow. Okay. But anyways, so they want you to find the area of the shaded region. That means the big box minus the little one. So 90 minus 30 is going to give you what? 60, right? Ooh, I can't move this that well. That's okay. You guys get the point. That's all you really have to do. If they're asking you to find the shaded region, meaning taking away this little part in the middle, that means you find the big area, the little area, and then you're going to minus them. Simple as that. Now, the problems in your IXL lesson do have lengths and widths that are sometimes going to give you, you're going to end up having decimal points and things like that. It's okay, you guys. Just, work it out on your paper. Try your best. I really have full confidence that you guys have learned how to do this in class and you can do it on your own, okay? Anyways, okay. So for the second lesson, what you're going to be doing is finding the area between 2 triangles. So you need to remember what the area formula for area of a triangle is. Now I'm going to type it here. Okay, if you were to find area of a triangle, that's going to be 1/2, correct? Let's see, 1/2. And you're going to times, right, your base. And I'm going to put an X for the multiplication. Height, and that is the area of a triangle, right? 1/2 base times height. That's what I'm going to use here. So let me go back to this thing here. Now same thing. If they're going to give you 2 triangles, a big one and a little one in the middle, and they're probably going to shade this part, and they're going to say find the area of the shaded region. That means find the area of the big one, find the area of the small one, and subtract them. That's it. So I'm going to find the area of the big one. The big one is going to be 1/2 the base, which is 5, times, I'll put a little X for now, times your height, which is 8. Okay? So PEMDAS means I do have to do the part in the middle here, inside the parentheses. So I'm going to do 1/2. 8 times 5 is what, you guys? 40, right? Half of 40 is what? 20. So that's the area of my big triangle. I'm going to do the same with the little one. I'm not going to write it out, not only because I'm running out of room, but I also want to save time, okay? Same thing, half of base times height. Well, your base times your height is 2 times 3. That is 6. That means half of 6 is going to be what? 3, right? So the area of that little triangle is 3. Again, they want you to find the area of the shaded region. That means the big one minusing or taking away this little one. So that's going to be 20 minus 3. 20 minus 3 is going to be what? 17, right? So this would be the area of the shaded region. Just like 60 is the area of this shaded region. I know it's not shaded. I apologize. I can't figure out on this website how to shade in here. Okay. Hopefully this helps you guys. Sorry, trying to make sure I explain this correctly. This is going to be examples to help you for your 2 IXL lessons for this week, okay? If you guys have any questions or if there are different problems that they give you that maybe I didn't explain here, again, you guys feel free to send me a reminder or an email and let me know. Please be specific. Sometimes you guys are giving me emails saying, I don't know how to do the math, and that's all you're saying. You guys have to tell me, on this lesson, I don't understand this part. Okay, guys, so just kind of remember that as you guys are asking me questions, because I sometimes get a lot of vague questions, and I have to ask you guys what exactly you're talking about. And that's not a big deal for me, but I just want to make sure that I can help you the best I can. And the only way is for you guys to really, let me know exactly what you guys are having trouble with, okay? All right, you guys, that was a short video. That's all I really have to show you. I hope that this helps you. And hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day, guys.